Try to spend every moment of your life well with everyone because life doesn't last, but good memories live forever. This is the reason why many relationships end. One cannot speak properly, and the other cannot understand properly. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. The greatest glory of living is not in never falling, but in getting up whenever you fall. The confidence of others is acquired by a person who believes in himself. Sometimes people deceive you by talking sweetly. If you have learned the art of being happy in every situation, believe me, you have learned the greatest art of life. Self-confidence is the biggest secret of success. Your life will not change until you change what you do every day. A person who lives only for himself will die soon, and a person who lives for others will never die. If you love a girl, touch her heart with your good character, and she will be yours. A woman deceives every man who lacks morals. If the relationship starts giving you tears, then understand that the relationship has completed its term. He who lacks the courage to take a chance will achieve nothing in life. Successful people are not different from others, but their way of thinking is different.